up by using this LEAP framework that CE has developed. What we believe that it's important to have, one, L stands for L-E-A-P. L stands for liberal thinking, the way we're able to open our mind, the way we're able to reinvent, develop, and assess our organizational values. Are we still relevant to today's world? The way that we have been doing business, what get you there will not get, what get you here will not get you there, as our famous saying by Marshall, my good friend Marshall Goldsmith. So how do you then reinvent your thinking? That's liberal thinking. Second is exuberant. How do you develop a sense of energy, optimism, to energize your team to move towards, because of this complexity, ambiguous, very daunting challenge that you face to meet those, in this the new world, or the VUCA world. How do you lead the team to move into that? Third is agility. Agility in terms of mental agility, learning agility. How do we learn, unlearn, relearn things that are no longer relevant in the world today? How do we prepare ourselves and our team to develop the new set of skills that we talk about, the 5 set of competency? How do we allow ourselves to abandon some of these practices? Management practices are no longer relevant. For example, leading in this new world requires working with the millennials who are now in the position of authority leadership. How do we change our approach? How do we learn to adapt our style, our leadership style, our communication style to this new group of the millennials? That's agility. And lastly, partnership. How do we develop a trust-based partnership? When I talk about trust-based, it's a real challenge, because today, with different conflicting priorities, with different agenda, now how do we demonstrate a true, authentic partnership with our team, our external partners, stakeholders, towards developing this ability to help the organization, your organization, to navigate successfully in the VUCA world. So that's called the LEAP framework.